Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to hide all photos on Facebook from public using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and log in your account. So now click on the menu button or your profile picture or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen and scroll down until you see settings and privacy. So just go ahead and click on that. Click on settings and click on personal information. Click on profile settings again. So under your profile settings, you want to click on privacy. And here on your activities section, you want to edit your settings here, or who can see your post, to only me. Okay, so who can see your future post, you want to click on that, click on more and click choose only me, and go back and limit who can see your past post. Go ahead and click on that again and click on limit past post. Okay, and also you can just go ahead and edit any of the settings under here on the privacy settings, so that you can change the settings to private so that other people won't longer to see your photos or post here on Facebook. So that's it. That is how you hide all of your photos on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.